Tired of Discord and thinking about deleting or disabling your account? In this quick and simple guide, I'll walk you through every step you need to take. You're watching MK How To. Let's get started and make your Discord exit quick and easy. Go to User Setting. Scroll down the right sidebar. Here, you can either delete or disable your Discord account. It depends on what you want to do, but you can recover both types of accounts later if you decide to use them again. Whether you disable or delete it, you'll still be able to restore it. I want to delete it, so I've clicked on Delete. Enter your password. You can also read the note written at the top. I will enter my password. After typing your password, click on Delete Account. Now wait a moment. Congratulations, your account has been deleted. Now, let me show you how to restore it again. After clicking on Add an Account, enter your email and password. Then, click on the Login button. Now, if you want to restore your account, click on the Restore button. Otherwise, click on the Return to Login button and log in with another account. I want to restore my account, so I will log in with the deleted account again to restore it. Login. There is a Restore button at the bottom. I am clicking on Restore. Congratulations, your account has been successfully restored. It was a very simple guide for you all. That's it. If this helped, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.